Rami Abumrad runs this busy Lebanese restaurant in Winnipeg. The Baraka Pita and Bakery on Main has many newcomers working behind the counter. 5 of the 13 workers are new refugees from Iraq and Syria.
They're refugees. They're looking for help. They're leaving, a war zone.
Abumrad says his family likes to hire refugees to make them feel at home, something that benefits both his workers and customers.
And they feel comfortable working with people of similar culture. They are from different countries, slightly different cultures, slightly different languages, different dialects and whatnot, and they just feel comfortable here.
Rashid Faris has been in Canada for 1 year and has only been working at the restaurant for 4 months. He was born in Iraq and sponsored to come to Winnipeg through the Kurdish Association of Manitoba and the Mennonite Central Church. He says he was hired at the restaurant through a man named Omar Rahimi.
As Omar told me, maybe I have a job for you in the restaurant. I came to here. I talked with boss. He told me come tomorrow.
This is Omar.
They don't want to go on social assistance. It's not enough.
Omar Rahimi launched a new website this week to help more refugees find work in the city. He says the language barrier can make it challenging for newcomers to build a resume and know where to look for work.
Snow shoveling, lots of painting, stuff like that. So we want them to do the kind of jobs that you don't really need a lot of English to do that.
As for Rashid, he now works 5 days a week and he loves his job, but he says he has other plans.
I want to make haircut. I have to learn English more.
It makes me very emotional. I really want good for Rashid. I wish him, because he's been through too much of a hard time.
Nellie Gonzalez, CBC News, Winnipeg.